What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today I did this winter going into spring makeup look. I mean, everything is light and airy, and then we still have this kind of vampy lip. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and on my lips, it must be my favorite because I wear this so many times. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty and it's Undefeated by Fenty Beauty. This is what's on my lip, but I kind of just wanted to sit here. Well, I kind of had to do my makeup today, so I kind of just wanted to record it, so I did just that. So if you guys want to see how I got this nice airy everyday makeup look, all you have to do is just change the lips to make it everyday friendly. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comment. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to start with so I already did my brows. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with my eyes. Usually when I'm doing makeup look, I don't start with my eyes, but I'm gonna do things a little different today. I'm just gonna do a simple spring eye. So I'm using this old Lorac palette, and sometimes if I'm looking down, obviously the mirror is right here. I'm trying to use the viewfinder, but that have me looking, you know, all over the place. I'm gonna start with this MAC Patrick Stars palette first because I like this one color in there. I don't even know the name. Let's see if we see the name. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, pop here, firm, probably soft brown. It's probably soft brown, I don't know, but I'm just gonna start by just putting this down here. I don't want to do too much with the eyes. I don't want it too colorful, so I'm just gonna start by using this. I'm using this as my transition color. I don't want to come too close because I have individual lashes on, so I don't want to come too close to my lashes because then they're kind of hard to clean off, and when I try to clean them off they come off, so I don't want to come too close to that. Then I'm gonna use the Lorac and I'm gonna go in with this reddish brown right here. I'm just gonna put it out here. I don't know the name of this one either. I don't know the name of it, but I'm just gonna put it on the outside here. And then what I'm gonna do, that's basically what I'm doing with the eyes, and then I'm gonna put like a shimmer color over it. And I think I can find a shimmer color in this palette. So this is soft, kind of nude eyes, which is kind of like me all the times. Soft nude eyes. There's a shimmer right here. I'm gonna put the shimmer over it. Then I'm gonna go back into the Patrick Stars and kind of just use a little of the gold because I kind of like that gold is nice and bright. Nice and bright gold. This is my go-to palette, this Patrick Star X Max. That's my go-to. Okay, so that's a nice gold shimmer to kind of top that and give it that vibrant look. So how are you guys doing? Okay, so basically that's the eyes, if you can see. that's the eyes. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and do my makeup now. What I've been using is just this sample Lancome La Base Pro and as a primer, and it's okay. I mean, it's so I don't find any fault with it. It's kind of more like a jelly primer, but whew, it's nice to use a moisturizing primer. Feels real different and good using a moisturizing primer. So I'm using the True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer by Fenty. My Fenty 385, it's done, if you can see it's right here. But I'm gonna see if I get some from it. I need to throw this away. I'm just gonna see if I get a little from it. Oh, I'm getting a little. I don't know, I think I've opened one before. Ah, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna use the usually when I'm doing my foundation, I concentrate it around this area because I kind of get discoloration around this area. If you notice, I have some breakouts, and then I just start this area and then I just spread it. That's the thing about doing your brow first, but I love doing my brow because my brow take too long to do. So I love doing my brow off camera. And usually I just put what's left over on my sponge. I put that on, usually I put that on my forehead. Usually I don't put makeup on my forehead, as you saw. I just had a little bit on there, but I want to put some more. I'm still seeing my little spots that I got recently. My face decided to act up, so I'm gonna put a little more. I just want to cover, and usually it covers the spots after it dry. Sometimes you can keep putting and it don't look like it's covering, but once it's dried you can see the difference. I'm trying to finish my makeup in 29 minutes because that's so long my camera record for without cutting off. So let's try finishing this makeup within that time. So I got a new Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this one is in 350 because this one that I was using is in I have 370, I have 390, and I wanted to go a little lighter because I realized that was a little, like, that was my complexion. So I got the 350, and this is the first time I'm using this too. I also have that in my haul. I'll go ahead and tag that haul right here, but this is the first time I'm using this one because I bought it to take to Grenada with me, so I didn't use it as yet. And one thing I used to do that I don't do no anymore, let me tell you something. Makeup and the way you apply your makeup it's an individual choice. I can tell you that because I've watched my fair share of tutorials, and I'm telling you this, I've tried a lot of different ways how different people does their makeup, and it just don't work for me. So the one thing I used to do, I used to highlight right here down my jawline, but I realized when I highlight it, when I do my videos, it looks like real fat, like down here look like real fat. So I stopped, and now I'm like, oh, that's what it is. I was highlighting here and it don't need highlight, and it was making my feet right there stand out. So I just stopped doing that. I don't highlight that area anymore. I just do like my nose and this place, but mainly like my under eyes. That's where I focus my highlight. And I'm still using my Tinted makeup stick. I really like this. This is what I use for contour. When I'm contouring, I just put a little like on my hand like that. I just rub it out on there. I don't even use the stick anymore, because I realize when I use the stick it's too hard to blend. So I rub it out on there, and then I just do something like this, and then I kind of just find my jawline like that. See how nice that is and smooth? When I used to draw the stick with it, like use the foundation stick to mark it, it was just so harsh and hard to blend. But I don't do that no more. Like, soft makeup is my thing, period. Soft makeup is just my thing. I love soft makeup. So a lot of times people don't even know that I'm wearing makeup if it's applied nice and good. And one thing I do for sure is get underneath here. You need to get underneath your chin. Need to keep that double chin at bay. So what do you guys watch? What do you guys think about this coronavirus? You know, it's serious, but what I can tell you guys, it's no time for panicking. Don't panic, just do the right thing. Don't go outside unless you have to. I mean, I have to go outside in a little bit, just to the store, because I have nothing. But I'm seeing pictures where people, even like tissues, they can't find tissues. I'm like, why are people buying out the tissues like that? Like, is there something about tissue and coronavirus that I don't know about? I don't get it. Like the whole tissue thing and baby wipes, like what's that? I mean, yeah, we always buy tissue. You would think you would just buy, or probably buy one extra or something. I don't know how you guys buy tissue, but when I buy tissue, I buy a 24 pack. That served me for a couple of months. I usually don't keep track. I just buy again when I go down to 2. So, and the last time I bought my 24 pack, I still have, I counted them this morning because I'm going to the store, like I said, so I counted them to see. So I still have 9 out of 24. So even if I was gonna buy some more to top up, which I won't buy anymore because I have 9, I live alone, but even if I was gonna buy some more, I don't think I would need to stock up on 3 packs or so. I would just buy another 6 pack or maybe another 24 pack, I don't know. But I don't think I would stock up on so much to buy them out. So what, people weren't buying tissue before? I don't get the whole tissue thing. Anyway, I'm using Coconutty by Fenty, and I'm just gonna set that foundation stick that I just used. I'm just gonna set it in place, and wherever I put that contour stick, wherever I put that contour, I just run this around it because I love this. This is nice. Kind of just tone it down. And usually this is what I would use to contour my nose if I contour my nose. So I just get a little brush and I kind of just swipe from here and I take it up in my brows like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm seeing it well. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that whole tissue thing that everybody's getting all these tissue, and usually I use my same brush that I used to put my contour on. Same brush that I used to put my contour on. I usually use the same brush to set my contour. Not dirty in 100 brush, but yeah, that's it for contouring. I know I'm gonna set my highlight. Chanel 91 Caramel, and this is supposed to be a foundation as well, but I just use it for setting my whole face actually. So after I set my contour, I just use this to set my whole face everywhere, because I think this is the color of my face. I even kind of put some over my contour line, because this way you kind of hide whatever harsh line, because sometimes you have that line and you don't even know you have it. So I put some over my contour line. I'm gonna use some of the same Patrick Star from MAC. I'm gonna use the same gold tone one, and I'm just gonna lightly, usually I like to use a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna lightly fluff some up in here, just to give it that little pop. See, just to give it that little pop up there, pop your brows. So just put a little of this on my brow bone to pop my brow, and then when I do that, I go back in with the same fluffy brush and just kind of blend it, so whatever demarcation is there, take out the mark, that it just looks like it just happened naturally. You know, I don't want a mark there. I find a little brush as small as I can, just a little one that's not too firm. So I'm using this little one, and it's number 8 from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna go underneath here and just I'm using the Patrick Stars palette still, and I'm just going underneath, and I like to put a little darker, just a little bit darker. So I like to put the color that's there already, and then find a little pencil, and I kind of just open up my eyes. Usually I don't put black down there. I find that black kind of make you look, you know, a little older, a little gothic, a little tired. So I like this to open up my eyes, and this is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish. And what color is it? I don't even know the color. I've been have that. And then the next thing I do, I just go into my mascara, and I don't put mascara on my top lashes because I'm wearing individual lash, and I have the Better Than Sex mascara here from Too Faced, and I just put that down here. So usually I just hold down like this, not to get, just so I don't get it messed up. And I like to just look what I'm doing, because I don't want to get mascara everywhere. So I kind of just get it in my lash as much as I can, and sometimes it may come off too much. So what I do when it come off too much, I have this mascara brush here that nothing is in this mascara. This is done. So I usually just go through and open up the clumps. Don't stick yourself in the eye like I do. And the good thing about this, if you get some mascara on your eyes like I did, you can go back with this neutral pencil down here to open that up. Same one from Patrick Stars MAC. I'm gonna put a little on my nose. I kind of just put a little on the bridge here, and then a little on down here. Just rub it out, because I want it to be as fade as possible, so it don't look like you're wearing. And then I go in with my same contour brush that I highlight right here. I just use the tip part here that don't have contour on it because I don't want this place dark here. And what I do, after I do that, I kind of just rub whatever left over this side here. So usually nothing much comes out over there, but just a little. And I usually just do my Cupid's bow like that. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus and just kind of spray my face because at this point the face feels dry, you know. And I have a fan here. I usually just turn that fan on so it dries it off. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. Bye.